Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Before we start, I just want to show you some dried results here. This is the Dutch pour we did. Look how beautiful that turned out. Lovely colors and stuff in it. And then this one was the, I think, flip cup we did. Also very pretty colors in it. I've put a coat of varnish on both, and I will be loading both of them into my Etsy shop today. Unless I already have. Oh goodness, I can't remember. Anyway, so today we're going to be doing a Dutch pour again. I'm going to be doing it on this hexagon shaped canvas. It's quite a big one, bigger than the other ones I have. It's 35 centimeters across, and I've mixed up some colors here. I've got neon yellow, I've got a light blue, I've got a metallic green, and I've got fluorescent pink. Okay, and I'm not putting a base down, I'm not doing anything, I'm just putting the paint and blowing it out. I have put 2 drops of silicone into each of these colors. Again, this is the silicone I use. It's the 100% pure silicone oil. It's treadmill belt lubricant. I get this off Amazon. And let's just put some paint and we'll get started. So 2 drops of silicone in each color. And I've watered the paints down because for the Dutch pour you need the paints to be a little bit runnier, so that you can blow it out. If it's really thick, you're going to battle to blow it out. So I'm just layering these colors down sort of like that. I don't know why it's running. My desk and the canvas is level. I thought it was. Okay, and some more of that. And that is plenty paint. Okay. Alright, let's just blow that out, shall we? Can you see? Yeah. Okay, well that is very, very, very pretty. I do like the colors. I'm going to hit it quick with a heat gun. like that. I do like it, and because there's a lot of this green, and the green is metallic, I do seem to have a little bit too much paint on here still. Okay, let me see if I can add some more yellow and some more of this pink, and just blow it, and maybe a little bit more of this blue, and just sort of blow it that way again. I think that's better because I've got some more color up there now. So just hit that with a heat gun. There we go. Well, that's very cute. I like it. I do like the colors, that's for sure. So just make sure that paint has covered all your edges. I'm just going to use this little brush and just dab paint on. Well, there we go. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on. Okay, so there it is. Now again, because of the silicone, you're going to see those bumps, but it does dry flat, so don't worry about those. They will flatten while it dries. Right, so let's have a look at these colors. I hope you can see the colors. Very bright, very colorful, and remember, all the green in here is metallic, so when this is dry, pretty much the whole painting is going to have a shimmer to it. You can see there, you can see the shimmer. I think you can see that, but yeah, the whole, everywhere where you see green is going to shimmer when it's dry. But really pretty colors, and cells popping up everywhere, and it just, you know, it just adds to the painting, just gives it something to look at. All these little cells popping up everywhere. Everybody, thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you like this technique? Do you like this painting? Do you like the colors? Do you like using metallics in your paintings? You know, tell me what you like. Tell me what you think. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Your support would really mean the world to me. And that's it, everyone. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.